lot of people would say I'm the embodiment of my work, or I have the same vibe of the character in my artwork. How I actually stay true to my artwork is through compassion and kindness that I want to share all over the world. My name is Alice. I'm a freelance illustrator, motion designer, and an art teacher. I consider myself as a subtle feminist, drawing mostly women and nature. In my artwork, you not just see one single woman, there are two or more than two women, and you'll find those women are identical. They represent the symbol of self-reflection. I applied for several schools and I actually got into my dream school in the US. It proved to be quite a challenge for me. I actually got my first panic attack due to all the financial burdens, the cultural shock that prompted me to try to recenter myself, to regain my bearings. During COVID, I came back to Taiwan. Coming back home influenced my work a lot because my work is mostly surrounded with friendship, romance, and family relationships. I have to face some childhood memories that I didn't have the opportunity to resolve. Coming back home is like a process of fighting myself and regain the relationship with my family. Kindness is underrated in this world. When I had the opportunity with Adobe Stock to create a project, that was my first idea to make something for people to find a way to heal themselves. As an artist, I definitely need to have some kind of relationship with my artwork. It doesn't have to be a completely embodiment of myself, but I definitely need to find a way to bond with my artwork. So the elements of having Asian women, the desire to be surrounded by more and more nature, the need to draw curves, lines that can represent subtleness and fears and strength are the key parts that I always try to include in my work.